Hey there, I'm Craig. Thanks for stopping by Motivation in a Nutshell, where we give tools to create the life you deserve to live. We're here to support your personal and professional growth so you can achieve your big goals. And you can help us achieve our goals by liking and subscribing. It's a win-win. In the vast cosmos of human behavior, few stars shine as brightly as Dr. Robert Cialdini. His work in Persuasion has revolutionized our understanding of influence. Cialdini isn't just a researcher, he's a cosmic explorer of the human mind. His 1984 book, Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion, was a supernova in psychology. The book outlines 6 key principles of persuasion, like fundamental forces of the social universe. They explained why we say yes to others. In 2016, he added a 7th principle, completing his model of persuasion. These 7 principles form a comprehensive guide to understanding influence. They're as fundamental to human interaction as gravity is to the physical world. Let's explore these principles. Let's start with reciprocity. When someone does something for us, we feel compelled to return the favor. This principle is why free samples are so effective in marketing. Next, we have commitment and consistency. Once we make a choice, we want to be consistent with that commitment. It's why salespeople often start with small requests before moving to bigger ones. Social proof is our 3rd principle. We often look to others to guide our behavior. This is why testimonials and popularity indicators are so powerful in marketing. These 3 principles form the foundation of Cialdini's theory. They're like the primary colors of persuasion, blending together in countless ways. Understanding them is like having a map of the social cosmos. With this knowledge, we can navigate the complex world of human interaction more effectively. Let's move on to the next set of principles. 12. Moving on, we encounter authority. We tend to follow the lead of authoritative figures. This principle explains why endorsements from experts or celebrities can be so influential. The principle of liking is simple yet impactful. We're more likely to be influenced by people we like. This is why companies use friendly faces in advertising. Scarcity plays on our fear of missing out. We tend to want what's less available. This principle is why limited time offers and exclusive deals are so effective. These 6 principles form Cialdini's original theory of influence. Each one taps into a deep-seated aspect of human psychology. Together, they provide a comprehensive framework for understanding why we say yes. Now let's explore the 7th principle. In 2016, Cialdini introduced a 7th principle, unity. This principle is about shared identity. The more we perceive someone as part of our in-group, the more likely we are to be influenced by them. Unity goes beyond mere similarity. It's about feeling part of the same group or entity. This could be based on family ties, shared experiences, or common goals. It's why companies try to create a sense of community around their brands. This principle explains why we're more likely to help family members or feel a connection to others who support the same sports team. In marketing, it's used to create brand communities and foster customer loyalty. The addition of unity completed Cialdini's model of persuasion. It added depth to our understanding of influence, showing how our sense of identity plays a crucial role. With these 7 principles, we have a comprehensive map of the persuasion universe. Let's see these principles in action. Let's explore how these principles manifest in our daily lives. Reciprocity is at play when a restaurant gives you a free mint with your bill. You're more likely to leave a better tip. Commitment and consistency can be seen in fitness apps that encourage you to log your workouts. Social proof is evident in the popularity of review websites. We trust the collective wisdom of other consumers. Authority is used when doctors appear in toothpaste commercials. Their medical expertise lends credibility to the product. The principle of liking is utilized by influencers on social media. They share personal stories to build a sense of friendship. Scarcity is evident in limited edition products or time-limited sales. The fear of missing out drives people to act quickly. Unity can be seen in how sports teams create a sense of community among fans. These real-life examples show how pervasive Cialdini's principles are in our everyday experiences. Understanding these principles can help us navigate the complex world of human interaction more effectively. Let's consider the impact of these principles on our daily lives. 12. Cialdini's principles of persuasion are not just academic concepts. They're forces that shape our daily interactions and decisions. Understanding these principles is like having a telescope to observe the social universe. This knowledge can help us make more informed decisions and understand why we feel compelled to act in certain ways. However, with great knowledge comes great responsibility. These principles can be used ethically to create win-win situations or misused for manipulation. In our personal lives, understanding these principles can improve our relationships. In business, they can guide ethical marketing and sales practices. By understanding these principles, we can make more conscious choices and appreciate the intricate dance of influence in every interaction. It's a reminder of the beautiful complexity of human behavior, as awe-inspiring as the night sky.